Yes, hello all. Here we have our R33 workshop manual. Basically, it covers everything on the vehicle. I'll take you through some of it now. Okay, as you can see, to this manual we have a part 1, a part 2 and a part 3. Because this manual is fairly big, so we can't print and bind it all in one go. So as you can see, the first section is 280 pages long. The contents of this manual are shown here. Look, I'm just going to quickly just, jump a few pages in this manual so I can show you the quality. Okay, as you can see, it's fairly comprehensive. Got full graphics with everything in English, so you can understand on how to work on your vehicle. Here's sort of the turbocharger and the exhaust manifold area of the manual. And I'm just going to jump now to the back. Of this manual. So here we go. So look, what I'll do now is I'm going to jump to part 2. As you can see, part 2 has another 200 odd pages. And it has good, things like circuit diagrams, not just for the RB20 as shown here. We have, we cover all the engines in this vehicle. So everything from the RB20s right up through 25s, right through to the RB26 DET. All the turbo engines, everything is covered in this manual. Very comprehensive, as you can see. Okay, and again, I'm just going to jump a few pages because I don't want the video to go too long. Yes, I've got the power steering circuits here. I've got the vehicle specifications towards the back here. I think we actually have an index here as well, which I'm trying to find. I'll just cruise on through and see if we can find that. Yeah, so here's the index. This is just for section 1 and section 2. Section 3 has its own index. So as you can see, the manual is very comprehensive, covers all engines, all models. Okay, there we go. So I'll jump to part 3 as well. Now, part 3 has, around the 330 page mark in it. I'll just change the screen size so we can see what's going on here. Okay. And here's the contents page for part 3. So there you go. So there's, it covers everything that you can think of. I am just going to jump through again to a few pages just so you can see the quality. But yeah, you've already seen previously the quality. plenty of graphics. Everything's in perfect English. And of course then you got all the wiring diagrams at the back as well of section 3. So there's not much of this manual doesn't cover really. As you can see, there's an index at the back of this manual too. So I will just spend a few seconds on each page. Okay, so there's the index for this manual. So you can see pretty much everything's covered. And then also there's the previous index for the other two manuals as well. So everything is covered. If you've got yourself an R33 Skyline, doesn't matter what model or engine it has in it, this here will give you information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sign off this video now so we don't keep it going for too long. And if you would like to purchase, just have a look at the at the comments underneath this video, and you'll see the link to where this manual is available, and also I will actually put a discount code there for anybody who's watching this on YouTube. Alright, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.